Hey there, let's make some cream cheese cookies. You're going to need a box of yellow cake mix. Start by adding softened butter to a bowl, then add in cream cheese, and you're going to mix those together until they're combined. Next, we're adding in an egg yolk and vanilla and also combining that too. Also, don't worry if you're not getting the measurements. I do have the full recipe at the end of the video. Just pause on whatever device you're using and you'll be able to see it. Once we get everything combined, it's time to start adding the cake mix. You're going to add the cake mix a little bit at a time until you've added the full box, and you're just going to mix in between. Please say a prayer for my hand mixer. It was kind of going through a lot with this one. Once your dough is mixed, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm using a 1 1/2 tablespoon cookie scoop, and then we're just going to scoop the cookies onto a cookie sheet. It's going to bake for 8 to 10 minutes in a 375-degree oven, and you definitely don't want to over bake this cookie, so just keep an eye on it. The end result is a light, pillowy cookie that has a nostalgic yellow box cake taste with the tanginess of the cream cheese. They're pretty much addictive. Everyone's gonna love them if you bring them to a holiday party or a cookie swap, so make sure you give this recipe a try. Please make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel so you can see more vintage recipes, and make sure to click on the little bell so that you're notified when I put out a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.